There's a point where remote seduction starts working, and a lot of women miss it because it doesn't always feel dramatic. Usually, it starts small. You're focused on the person, you're running the scene in your mind, and you're feeling it. And then suddenly, there's movement. They text or they call. Maybe they show up at your door, or they say something you were just thinking about, or maybe when you're around them, something feels different, like the attraction is stronger than it was before. But there's another part of this that matters. A lot of women tell me they start to feel it in their own body first. They get turned on. They feel like they're actually in the experience, almost like it's happening in real time. That's not random. That's part of the signal that it's working. That first shift matters because it tells you the connection is becoming active. Something is connecting, something is starting to respond, and the imagery in your mind has been creating an experience the other person can start to feel. But the mistake a lot of women make is when they notice something shift, they kind of freak out. They get so excited it makes them a little anxious. Then they start overthinking it, wondering what it means, maybe even trying to push it forward to make things happen faster. And that's usually where it has the potential to fall apart. So when you see that first sign, just stay steady. Don't force anything or start checking your phone every 5 minutes. Take a breath. Relax, step back a little, and stay in the same emotional space that created it in the first place. Let it build naturally. Trust that it's real. Don't question the connection, allow it to strengthen. And if you want to learn how to create that spark of attraction and desire, my book, How to Make Him Burn with Desire, walks you through it step by step. And if you're looking for something deeper, more emotional connection and attachment, that's what my book, Pussy Whip, is designed for. I'll see you in the next video.